This is a film about personal reflections. What is filming class about? I think it's wake up really early in the morning every week. Work, just it's about pizza lunch, heavy lifting, all the crew members stuff. This semester I started to drink coffee and heavy lifting again. Well, actually, lots of coffee. Heavy lifting again and again and again. Sometimes this class requires some crying, no matter for what reasons. And sometimes life just hits you. Yeah, things just seems going downfall for you, and there's nothing you can do about it. All the hardship sometimes just make you doubt yourself. Yeah, like that. But despite all the hardship, I think there is something very valuable that you cannot get from other class, other experience. Like go through all this stress with like-minded people, your crewmates, or other filmmaking students. For me, here I want to special thanks to my crewmates. Working with others makes me understand what I want to become. And I have to say, it was kind of enjoyable to work with other like-minded people. And I learned a lot. By like-minded people, I mean you guys too. Whoever's watching this, it was great to work with every one of you. And I knew so many people through this class. And yeah, filmmaking is hard. Yeah, it is hard. I don't know what to say.